guys, welcome back to Let's Go Mommy.
And today we're going to be doing
Our first DIY for this channel. So we'll be doing a DIY LOL surprise pool, but as you can see, these are Lunchables containers, and we'll be cutting them up, and we even have a Sharpie where we're going to put X's on the walls to cut the walls out.
So make sure you check out part 2.
Once that's posted.
Yep.
Where it's going to be a surprise, but they will be playing in it. That's just a little hint.
And they might not just be playing in this pool.
Nope, they might not be. So let's get started.
So you're just going to start putting the X's in.
Yep. And it's okay if the Sharpie doesn't stay on it very well. We just need it to be clear enough to see. So we have our X on there and our X on this side of the wall. And eventually we're going to tape them together.
Masking tape, probably.
Yeah.
Because that's stronger.
So we are going to make this with a couple different sections in it. So we are going to cut out both of this line of walls and make this an area. And then this will all be a big area, and this is going to be a little kiddie pool.
Should we decorate it?
We could do that.
Ooh, I have a good idea.
So we'll show a little bit of us cutting them out, and then we will just do the rest and be back.
Should I go get some decorations?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back. I have the perfect thing in mind.
And also, if kids, you try this, make sure you get an adult supervision when working with sharp objects and with plastic. So I've cut this wall here. It did go a little bit farther down, and we have to make sure we don't have any extra holes in it, otherwise the water will leak out. So that might be a problem.
Okay, so I have some glittery letters that, here's an example. So we're supposed to punch out this part, so this part will be punched out like.
So we could write pool on it maybe. So we'll be back when we have all of the pieces of the pool cut out.
Okay, so we are back.
And I have the cuts in the pool. And I'm going to use my sealing tape or
tape. Let's just call it tape.
Yeah, let's just call it tape. And Bear decided to decorate. We're going to put this big, I had to wire 3 pipe cleaners together, and we're going to wrap that around the pool.
To be a fancy decoration.
She decided that she's going to, we have mini popsicle sticks for the side, and she's going to put these on the index card that we folded.
The silver container is gone that had all the sparkly these letters in it, because I went and put that away.
So we will probably get this taped together off camera because that's going to take a lot of work.
So now you can see the peel is off, and now we're just sticking.
So we have all of these spots where we have to get so the water won't go through, because we're actually going to try to fill this up with water.
I really like these foam letters a lot. They're just foam letters that are sparkly in different shapes and sizes. And
so I'm going to work on getting this pool together, and we'll see you guys for the next update.
Okay, so I have added a blue lollipop, and I'm just going to be decorating the pool with a fun thing. So now I have this yellow crown.
I'm still working on sealing it, but we have the pool done, and the reason we didn't put LOL surprise on it is because it didn't fit, and we ran out of I's to use as L's. So now I think I'm just gonna go ahead and tape this on.
Should we maybe draw a little LOL surprise on it or not?
I don't think I can draw that good. Jem might be able to, but I'm not sure. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on and then finish sealing it.
Okay, these are
and the reason why we can't show us doing all of this is because we're not even sure if her iPod, which we're filming on, can export this. So we're trying to make it short so it can be exported. But we're not sure, so that's why it's kind of short.
Okay, so we got the sign done.
And I really don't know how I'm going to get this taped. This might end up failing and not holding any water in the end, but it'll still look cute.
Okay, so we just got done making the pool.
And I think I have enough tape on there to seal it, so we are soon going to go try it out. Eventually the tape may start getting unsticky if water gets under it.
Well, we're doing it in part 2, so.
We are? Oh, we are. Okay, I guess then we will end this soon. But we got the pipe cleaner going all the way around it. We have a fat pink one, a skinny pink one, and then a sparkly silver one.
We're being that little surprises whenever in part 2.
Yes, in part 2.
And what do you say that we're going to do now?
I thought we were just going to test this with water.
Oh, test it. Yeah. I thought you meant
that.
test it with like little surprises in it.
No. So we're going to go up and test this with water because currently we're in our basement doing it.
So the next time you see us, we'll be upstairs.
No. Wait. We also, if all else fails, at least we'll have this one, which will hold water. But otherwise, this one may or may not hold water, and I'm pretty sure this one won't, but it could. So now you'll see us upstairs. So we are now upstairs,
And I'm going to be filling this up.
Yep. So be careful because only want it in some sections, and we don't want it filled all the way.
Okay, so here's what it looks like so far.
I think the water is holding, but let's see.
That's good.
Now let's try another section. So the water doesn't really seem to be flowing, but that's okay because once we get it filled.
And this is going to be like a little seat.
Okay, let's see.
But there's going to be a lot more water than this. We're just
testing it. So I guess if it doesn't work, we can just keep it. It doesn't really flow that much.
Let's try to flip it over at the same time so all the water doesn't come pouring on these. It just will pour in.
Yeah, those aren't very waterproof.
Or should we do it the other way where it has less?
Other way. That kind of didn't work. But it does hold water, so that is good. And we can use
these
that
didn't really get
for our
wet.
next video.
Sage, feel them. They're not wet. They feel dry. And if you're up for a challenge like this, you could try it too.
And make sure you guys like and subscribe.
And ring the bell.
Bye. See you in part 2.